A business idea should solve a problem. Yan ang sabi ng mga entrepreneurship teachers. Kaya maraming hindi makapag-start ng business dahil wala silang maisip or makita na business na nakakasolve ng world-changing problem. Actually, hindi naman kailangan ganun kalaki na problema na nasosolve natin. Pwede tayong mag-focus sa maliit na community. Tulad ng mga young professionals na condo dwellers. Ang problema ng iba ay may pet dog sila but wala silang time to walk their dogs. So, business idea, dog walking services. Ang problema din nila ay wala silang time mamalengke at magluto ng healthy food. Business idea, daily healthy food delivery. Ang problema din ng iba ay hindi convenient para sa kanila na may stay-in na helper sila. Business idea, monthly cleaning services to do deep cleaning for their condo units. Ano pa ba ang mga problema ng condo dwellers? Talk to some of them today. Who knows, that's how you will find your next business idea. Go out and start talking to your customers and be business-minded Pinoy.